Hello and welcome. My name is Dr. Felix Oyeleye, a lecturer in the Department of Veterinary Public Health and Preventive Medicine, a field epidemiologist, a passionate researcher who believes that data should tell a story. Whether you are a student, a lecturer, or a health professional trying to make sense of your data, you are in the right place. In this video, I will take you from the very basic of SPSS to an advanced statistical analysis using real data, hands-on demonstration, and practical examples. You will learn how to enter and clean data properly, transform and recode variables, run descriptive and inferential statistics like t-test, your chi-square, and regression analysis, create professional charts and graphs, export and report your results for publication. Each episode is just about 10 to 15 minutes long, so you can learn at your own pace while you actually practice along. Now, this channel isn't just about theory alone, it's about doing. I will show you the exact step I use in real research and field epidemiology projects, from data entry to reporting. If you have ever struggled with making sense of your SPSS outputs, or you wonder how to turn raw numbers into meaningful thoughts, then this series will change the way you work with data. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now, hit the notification bell, and follow along as we dive into SPSS, the statistical package for social sciences, from basic even to advanced. And don't forget to comment below what data sets or topic you would like me to cover in future video. Together, we can make analysis simple, accurate, and impactful.